Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a beer bread artisan loaf. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to be notified when I upload a new video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell.
For today's recipe, we're going to need flour, water, beer, salt, yeast, and apple cider vinegar. In the bowl of your mixer, combine your flour, yeast, and salt and whisk well until combined. Once well combined, add your water, beer, and apple cider vinegar. Then mix with your dough hook until combined. You want your mixture to form a shaggy dough. If your dough is too sticky, add flour a quarter cup at a time until you can form a ball with your dough. Generously flour the bottom of a bowl. Then plop your sticky, shaggy dough into the bowl and try to form a ball-like shape. Cover your bowl with plastic wrap and let your dough rise overnight for 12 to 14 hours. After 12 to 14 hours, remove the plastic wrap and stretch and fold your dough 3 to 4 times before replacing the plastic wrap once more. Let your dough rest for 30 minutes. While your dough is resting, preheat your pot and oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your pot is preheated, generously flour the bottom of the pot and plop your dough into the bottom. Generously sprinkle the top of the dough with flour. Replace the lid and put in the oven for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the lid and replace the pot for another 5 to 15 minutes. After you've reached your desired color, remove your bread and let cool on a cooling rack. Wait until your bread has cooled completely before slicing. I hope you enjoy!